A fast and efficient product development process is key to getting new designs to market on time. One of the most critical elements is to ensure all stakeholders have easy access to the right version of the right document the moment they're required. SOLIDWORKS manages and synchronizes design data across your entire organization in a centralized, secure vault, providing a scalable solution from just a single project to multiple sites across multiple locations. Starting with your mechanical design team, using SOLIDWORKS PDM's configurable workflows, designs can be approved and prepared for manufacture and inspection, eliminating the need for time-consuming manual sign-off procedures. As the process of manufacturing and inspecting your designs gets underway, SOLIDWORKS PDM stores and manages all of the associated documentation, from tooling inventories and NC programs in SOLIDWORKS CAM, to first article inspection reports and measurement results in SOLIDWORKS Inspection. As these items are revised, critical information is captured and automatically added to their data cards, providing full traceability, ready for other members of your organization to view. Working in parallel, your electrical design team can use SOLIDWORKS PDM to manage and synchronize SOLIDWORKS electrical product information such as schematics, bills of materials, plus in-house and supplier parts libraries. By facilitating more efficient collaboration between your mechanical and electrical design teams, overall project timescales are reduced and product quality is increased. Extending out beyond the traditional design and manufacture environments, technical authors can take advantage of SOLIDWORKS PDM to manage the creation of assembly instructions, installation manuals, and other product documentation created using SOLIDWORKS Composer. SOLIDWORKS Composer not only enables you to get a jump start on creating technical documentation, but helps you do it smarter in a fully managed environment. Expanding the solution further, SOLIDWORKS Manage builds on SOLIDWORKS PDM with a unique set of advanced data management tools for project, process, and item management. SOLIDWORKS Manage provides an easy upgrade path to a distributed data management system that can be utilized by many different groups within an organization to consolidate and deliver cohesive information to all areas of their business. SOLIDWORKS provides a scalable solution for managing and synchronizing all of your product development data, so you can get it right the first time and deliver products on schedule and on budget.